Thumma, circle your lips for dhamma and give gunna on meme. What is gunna? Keeping sound in your nose is called gunna. And where you create it, you create it on every meme or noon when they are with tashdid, with this w, little w. You hold the sound in your nose. Thum, this is gunna, and fatha is short. Ma, thumma, qa, qaf is always heavy. Set, qaset, there is flow of breath on ta. Qaset, qu, qaf is heavy, and give dhamma, giving dhamma, what you will do? Yes, circle your lips. Always circle your lips. Qulu, lu is 2 haraka long. Bu, kum. Why you are holding this sound in your nose? Because you find meme with tashdid, meme with this small w. What you will do? This is capital G actually. Okay, so this you are creating gunna over this meme. Qulubukum mim ba', clearly from your throat. Squeeze your throat well to create this sound and give a medium flow of sound. Di is short. The is 2 haraka long. Sorry, this is not a Z, this is 2. The li is short, ka is short. Dhalika, fa is short. He, ya, فهي كالحجارة أو أشد قسوة. أو lean, a short. شد قسوة. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are starting from the remaining part of Surah Baqarah and number 74. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإن من الحجارة لما يتفجر منه الأنهار. Wow is pronounced from circled lips. Always use your circled lips to say wow. Don't use your upper 2 teeth to touch the lower lip to pronounce wow. That is wrong. Wait, wa. Just use your lips to pronounce it. Wa in. What you are doing here? Yes, gunna. Why you do gunna? You keep. What is gunna? Gunna is to keep the sound in your nose. In, you can clearly feel that vibration in your nose. And when you create gunna, whenever you find meme or noon with what? With tashdid. This is tashdid. The small w is tashdid. So whenever you find tashdid on meme, letter meme or letter noon, you will create gunna. Gunna is to keep sound in your nose. Wa in, and the fatha is short. Na. Wa inna mi. Every kasra has double e sound. E, me. Ba kasra, b. Ta kasra, ti. Tha kasra, thi. So meme kasra, mi. Minal. And give on lam, we give medium flow of sound. Minal hijarati. Hi, again, double e sound. For every kasra, you create this sound. Hi. Hijara, ra. Whenever you find ra with fatha or dhamma, zabar or pesh, you make heavy sound. And for fatha, it's very easy to memorize. You just say raw. What is raw? Raw material. Okay. Yes. You just say that sound. When you see the raw with fatha, say raw. Hija raw. R-A-W sound. Hija raw. T. T again. Double E sound. La. Open your jaws for fatha. Ma. La ma. Ya. Ma is to haraka long. Yes. Yeah. La. Ma. Ya. Short. Ta. Short. Fa. No. Fa is attached with jim. Fa. When you find tashdid, you join the letter with the following letter. Yatafajja. Ja is short. Ru. Ra is heavy. When you find dhamma on ra, you make ra heavy. When you find fatha with ra, you make ra heavy. Yatafajjaru min very clear sound of noon. Min hul. Circle your lips for dhamma. Hul and give a medium flow of sound on lam. Hul and medium flow of sound on noon, and this is flow of sound when you make n sound. And ha is to haraka long. Ru is short. Minhul anharu wa in. Circle your lips for dhamma, for wow, to pronounce wow, just circle your lips. Wa in. Hamza is very strong letter, and for kasra make e sound. E. In. Look. Wa in. And you're making gunna here again. And fatha is short. What is gunna? Keeping your voice in your nose. Wa in. And fatha is short. Na. Wa inna min. Again kasra. Double E sound. Wa min. Noon is very clear. Min ha is to haraka long. La short. Ma to haraka long. Lama. Yash. Again, this sheen is attached with ya. Then this qaf is attached with sheen. So what will be that? Yashaqqa. Ya is light. Sheen is light. But these qaf both are heavy. Yashaqqaqu. Qa. Open your jaws for fatha. Qu. Circle your lips very clearly. Yashaqqaqu. Fa. Fa is short and give a flow of breath. Fa. Clear sound, clear flow of breath. Fa. Fa. You cannot make it silent like f. No. Fa. Let the breath go on. Fa. Ya. Yeah is light and kha is heavy. Keep the flow of sound go on. Fayakhuru. Circle your lips for dhamma. Ju. Circle your lips for dhamma and make ra and jim short. Fayakhruju. Fayakhruju. Min. Clear double E sound. For what? Kasra. I'm giving these double E sounds for kasra. Min. Hul. Circle your lips for ha and give a medium flow of sound on lam. Hul. Ma. Ma is 4 haraka long. And how you stop on hamza when you are giving sukoon? Because you are giving temporary sukoon on hamza because you are giving waqf. Whenever you give waqf, you put a sukoon on the last letter. So when you stop on hamza with sukoon, it's a very strong stop because it cuts off the makhraj. It doesn't allow the sound to flow. So it the sound abruptly cuts off. So ma. It's like hiccup or it's like choking in your throat. So wa in منها لما يهبط. Ya is soft and ha is a clear flow of sound. Yeah, yeah. B, kasra. With kasra, what you do? Double sound. B. Don't say be. Yeah, be. It's not be. It's yeah, be. Qu. Fa is heavy. And for dhamma, circle your lips. Min, clear noon sound. Khosh. Kha is heavy. Sheen, let the flow of sound go on. Yeah, oh, sorry. Khosh. Yeah. Yeah is light and short. And for fatha, open your jaws. Khashyatillah. For kasra, what you say? You add double e sound. E. This is e sound. Til. Clearly join with lam and give a medium flow of sound. Tillah. And you for sakun, you are stretching it 4 haraka long. Instead of 2 haraka, it was originally 2 haraka long, but for waqf you are making it 4. So khashyatillah wa mallahu, circle your lips for to pronounce wow. Mallahu, now it's not anymore long. You say, oh, it's alif followed by fatha, so I will make it long. No, you cannot make it long because this is directly attached with this lam now. So this alif is dropped. It's not anymore long. So wa mallahu, law is 2 haraka long and it's heavy. Whenever you find fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, it is this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is heavy. Wa mallahu, who is circle your lips for dhamma. B is again every kasra. What you do? You make double e sound. B gha again is heavy and 2 haraka long. B gha fi again double e sound. B gha fi lin, clear sound. Squeeze your throat well to pronounce the ain sound. Amma, you are creating gunna on meme. Why? Because whenever noon and meme has tashdid, this small w at the top, you create gunna sound. And what is gunna? Keeping the sound in your nose. Amma ta'malun. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.